This brand is made in China and is available in the USA through distribution by Fujitsu General America. The units use basic washable filters that do not do much to keep the unit clean or to improve the home's indoor air quality. The Entry Tier WHS models are basic single-zone heat pumps that are available for either 115-volt or 208/230-volt electrical power. They use old rotary compressor technology and have a 16 SEER2 efficiency. The mid-tier WHP heat pumps have a 21 SEER2 efficiency, while their premium-tier WHZ units have a 23.5 SEER2 rating and use modern inverter compressors. The WHP models are multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit but use the rotary compressors. The warranty on the brand is only average but is improved when the units are promptly registered online, but the brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.